Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to insert company logos in Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. Alright, so first things first, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up like and also subscribe to my channel. And if you're feeling generous, then of course super like the video. Alright, let's get started. So over here you can see I have a little table here that has companies, which is Instagram, Apple, Walmart, and Google. And we have a logo that this is where all the images are going to get inserted. And so we're going to go to this first cell under the logos, and then you're going to type in, you're going to type in equals image, bracket, cat, bracket, quotation, HTTPS, semicolon, colon, dash, logo.clearbit.com, dash, quotations, comma, F6. F6 is where the cell that you have, so mine is an F6. If I had it over here more, then it would be an C6 or C25. It all depends on exactly where you have your table. And then it's going to be a comma, quotation, .com, quotation, bracket. And then I'm going to hit enter. And then you can see that the Instagram logo pops up right away in the Instagram cell. So we know that works for sure. So now we can go back to this cell, and then you see this little green bracket. Not a bracket, a green square. You can go on top of it and then just drag it to all the other cells. And then they will auto-populate right away. You can see Apple, Walmart, Google. And then if you want to, so now we have to connect it. So let's say this one's going to be Tesla. And right away it gets auto-populated. And then we can merge another one. And this one, let's do a NFL. And we'll do one more. Let's do NHL. Actually, let's be a little bit more specific. Let's do Chicago Blackhawks. See if anything comes up. Nope. So sports teams do not work. Let's see if I just put in Chicago. Guess that pops it up. What about Blackhawks? Oh, okay. So it's only last names of teams that work. Let's try Capitals. Let's see what comes up. Nothing for Capitals. And also, let's try one more. Try the Bulls. Okay. So some do, some don't work. But you can just play around with it and just find whatever works for you. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any requests on what kind of videos in Excel you want me to do, then feel free to comment below. But until then, I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.